If you have the older version of mingw already installed, uninstall it by deleting the mingw folder in C drive. Go to the winlibs.com website through your web browser. Click on the download as shown. Under the latest GCC, click on the zip archive hyperlink for Win64. Once the .zip folder is downloaded, click on the folder icon next to it. It will redirect you to the folder containing the .zip. Now right-click on the folder, click More Options, and select Extract All. Follow the extraction process as performed. Cut the folder named mingw-w64 from recently uncompressed folder and paste it in the C drive. Now open the bin file within mingw-w64 folder as shown. Copy the address of bin file by clicking on empty part of address bar and pressing Ctrl+C as shown. Search for environment variables in the start menu and open it. A pop-up will appear, select environment variables in it, click on path, then select edit. If path to mingw already exists, delete it. Select New option and paste the path recently copied. Search command prompt in the Start menu and type GCC version. Press Enter. The compiler has successfully been installed if the command prompt displays the statement as shown. However, if statement displayed is the term GCC is not recognized, there are two reasons for this problem. Either the compiler was not installed correctly, or the path variable entered was incorrect. This can be easily rectified by performing the specific steps carefully again.